Anthony Alfredo, welcome to Zach33 YouTube.
Yeah, here we go.
I'm
not used to being in the passenger seat. I don't know how I feel about this.
If I were you, I'd be very concerned right now.
I am, because Zach looped this thing on lap 1 today. So.
I did not loop it.
Well, okay, well, a little skittish.
Come on, give me some credit.
Okay, yeah, you drove the wheels up. You kept her pointed.
Or
maybe not kept her pointed, but you got her pointed in the right
pointed some direction. I don't know which one.
Low fuel, you gonna make it?
Oh yeah. So this is a Corvette gauge cluster. No, seriously, because the plug out of the ECU, it fits a Corvette gauge cluster because it's a Corvette motor and harness.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that.
And so then all this, like the speedometer and tachometer, oil pressure, water temp, volts, I didn't have to do anything. I just plugged it in.
Yeah, that's actually really smart.
Yeah. Because otherwise I had to buy a bunch of gauges, you know?
Yep.
And do all that crap.
All right, last run of the day.
Yes, sir.
Let's make it count.
Yeah, this is when you should not drive like an idiot because you made it through the whole day.
Yeah, exactly. You want to end on a good note, so you're trying to drive really hard, but you don't want to do anything stupid.
Yeah, I did not put my timer in just because I would start competing with myself. You know?
Yeah.
So if it doesn't rain tomorrow, then you get to drive this beast, and I'll be right seat.
Oh yeah, I hope it doesn't rain. I'd be pumped. I think I'm ready for some wheel spin. It's hard to get it in the other one. It corners so fast though. That's what's fun. I was saying in that interview we did when you left the room, I was saying how it's like driving a giant go-kart.
Yeah.
Like it's big, rigid, doesn't roll over at all, but you're,
well, yeah,
it's all momentum driven.
Brian's car particularly, I mean, it's really well sorted. Here we go. I haven't wrecked yet, so that's good.
Oh God, don't jinx us. This thing is a beast, dude. It's real throaty. It's awesome.
This weather looks ominous, doesn't it?
Yeah. Better get a good one in. It's good weather for the hayride. Spooky. This thing is a beast, dude. This is awesome. Zach, you could really wheel. Getting after this thing.
You think I'm ready for a cup car?
I don't know. I couldn't answer that, honestly. I've never driven one yet. Truck, I can answer.
All right, truck.
I don't know if we're there yet.
Not there yet?
I don't know. It's so different. I think we got to do the opposite. You got to come drive one of my things one time.
All right. Challenge accepted.
Man, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I want to drive this thing.
What's that?
I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I want to drive this thing.
It's kind of a beast.
It is, for sure. You can get after it, for sure, like staying on top of it, chasing it around.
All right, man, what do you think?
Badass.
You ready to drive this beast tomorrow?
Yes. I really hope it doesn't rain, because this thing's an animal. I want to drive it. You could really chase this thing around, like really have fun getting after it and trying to stay on top of it.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's kind of tricky, I'm not going to lie.
It looks like it. I was watching your feet for the most part, because it seems like it gets pretty light. Like it's hard to keep it under you under braking, like in the heavy braking zones.
Yeah.
And that D-bank corner, like going from 2 to 3, when you come through that first, lazy left-hander, you're chasing it a little bit.
Yeah.
But it looks fun. I mean, just that low grip kind of thing.
Yeah. If I hit him, I wonder if anything will fall off.
I don't think so. Look pretty rigid to me.
I missed my blocks. It's okay.
Oopsie.
This thing gets hot by your feet?
Yeah.
Are your feet hot?
It's worse on that side.
Okay, that's what I was at. I was wondering if it gets hot on your side.
So,
I mean, mainly because you're right there, but...
yeah.
I mean, you are too.
Zach33 has 200 and some subscribers. You have 300 and some.
Yeah.
I think this video might make me pass you in YouTube.
But that's because my name is in it. Like, I'm in the video.
I'm still taking credit.
And my name is going to be in the title, so, like...
Yeah. So.
You're welcome.